Today I'm going to unbox some Gorjana jewelry that I just purchased from Laguna Beach. It's a Southern California company. They have really cute, dainty gold pieces that are just classic and will go with everyday outfits. The box is pretty cute. It says live, love, layer. Jewelry with intention, designed by quality, meant to inspire. So I got some necklaces, bracelet, and then a bangle. And this is what the receipt came in. Each piece has its own little bag. I don't really use these, but it's nice to have if you're traveling. Here's the bangle. This one was $115, made in China. It's just a clasp that you kind of push down and pull to open, push up, and seal it back. There we go. This one is a gold link chain, but it's structured, so it's more of a bangle with cutouts in it to emulate the chain look without it being floppy. I don't really like the floppy ones too much, or I don't like to have too many just because it can I have smaller wrists, so it always falls down onto my hand, and I like to keep it more up here. So this one also has a little lever that you just push down on, pull open, and then to shut it, just push in, and it's shut. This one is $110. And this one is called the Venice Bracelet. It's pretty 80s classic flat chain, really shiny. I think I used to have one of these in the 90s that I inherited or got passed down from my mom. And didn't think it'd be back in style, but it is, and I really like it. This one is $60. And it's just a regular clasp, kind of like a necklace. And look how beautiful that is all together. It's so shiny, so pretty, looks so good. So then I got two necklaces. It's called the Venice Layering Kit. So I think I got a little bit of a discount on it. This is called Wilder Necklace, and it says it was $65. This one has a big circle hoop clasp. And to get that off, it looks like you just pull on it, and then to clasp it, you just push it in. Super simple. I guess you could have it in the front if you wanted. I'll probably wear it more towards the back. And this is the Venice Necklace. It matches the bracelet. So that kind of ties the two looks together. Really shiny, sparkly, really beautiful gold. And this is your regular clasp. That's how the two look together. So I'm really happy with these pieces. I think they're just really good everyday wear pieces, classic, dainty, and just, I feel like gonna be some of my favorite pieces just to wear on a daily basis. Hope you found this video helpful and useful. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time.